In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your homepage title tag in WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to optimize your website, this guide will help you enhance the SEO of your homepage by ensuring your title accurately reflects the content of your site. To begin, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side menu and find the Appearance section. This is where you'll customize a lot of the visual aspects of your site. Click on it, and then you'll see the Theme Editor option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, I must emphasize being cautious here, as this section allows you to directly edit theme files, so any changes can affect your website's appearance. Once inside the theme editor, you'll notice a set of theme files on the right. Locate the header.php file. This file controls the information that appears in the head section of all your website's pages, including the crucial title tag. Click on header.php to open it. Inside the header.php file, look for the HTML title tag. It should be surrounded by title tags. This might be a piece of code that looks quite straightforward or could be part of a larger PHP function that dynamically generates title tags. Find this specific line where your homepage title can be edited or dynamically configured. If your theme uses a static title, you can easily replace it with your preferred homepage title. However, if it is dynamically generated, look for variables or PHP functions that construct this title. This might look like PHP blog info name or another function. Here, you can still insert static text or alter the function's parameters to customize it better to your needs. After making your changes, you'll want to save your work. Look for the Update File button at the bottom of the editor and click it. This will save the changes you've made to the file. Now, head over to your homepage to check out the changes. Open your site in a new tab and look at the title displayed on the Browser tab. If you've accomplished the steps correctly, your new title should display as desired. For those who want to avoid editing code directly, you might consider using an SEO plugin that allows you to change the title tag without diving into your theme files. Popular plugins like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO make this process a lot simpler by providing a user-friendly interface to manage titles and metadata. Keep in mind that search engines often use the title tag as a snippet on search result pages, so make sure it's compelling and includes your best keywords, yet remains concise. With these steps, you've successfully changed your homepage title tag in WordPress. I hope this guide helped you understand the process and the significance of a well-optimized title tag. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing!